How much does a tire rotation cost? However, they can save you hundreds of dollars on unnecessary suspension repairs and early tire replacements. So how much does service this important cost? One of the least expensive and most crucial routine maintenance tasks for your car is rotating the tires. However, most tire rotations go beyond simple rotation, and there are a number of things that might drive up the price. The price might quickly increase to $150 if you want to have your tires balanced and aligned, especially if either service is past due for your car. So, let's learn about the tire rotation cost. You will most likely need to take the vehicle to another, more specialized shop to handle the repair if a lug nut binds or rips off the hub bolt. Of course, your dealer can rotate your tires as well, and you could find the cost to be extremely reasonable. Numerous tire shops provide coupons for free tire rotations, and may also provide rotations free of charge ever after a set of tires is purchased from them. Free cannot be beaten. On the other end of the spectrum are those that work exclusively on more expensive cars and retwist your lug nuts using hand tools and torque wrenches. Be prepared to pay more than $100 for their services. How are they superior? For no other reason than they take the time to make sure your lug nuts are not cross-threaded, incorrectly changed, or over-tightened. The majority of the rotations performed by Boston Mobile Tire, according to owner Jay Kondrick, are really tire swaps for the current season. For instance, when a repeat customer switches from winter tires and wheels to summer or all-season rubber. A tire rotation from Boston Mobile Tire costs $150, however, they frequently direct consumers to their dealer or a mechanic's shop instead. Convenience and time savings are at the core of our business concept. Because of this, we frequently advise clients to rotate when they come in for an oil change or other servicing. Tire rotation is a rather easy process. The lug nuts are then taken out once the automobile is raised using jacks or a lift by the technician. Depending on the model and the type of tires involved, the tires are then transferred from one spot on the car to another. All save the final step are simple to complete at home. Owners should remember to reset the tire pressure. Jay Kondrick requested that we remind them. The manufacturer's setting can occasionally be distinct from the front to the back. You can rotate your own tires if you have a strong back and an hour to spare. The directions are in your owner's manual, or you can refer to a YouTube video as your reference. To remove the lug nuts, you will want a wrench and socket. A long handle wrench, often known as a breaker bar, provides more leverage to make that task bearable. The best tool to use for tightening lug nuts is a torque wrench. You may want to leave the task to your mechanic if your automobile has a TPMS indicator that displays the pressure at each wheel. Ask your dealer if the tires will automatically detect the TPMS sensor's new location. It is improbable. Wherever they are located in the car, most TPMS sensors don't care. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.